Hi guys, I'm Richard, Head of Trading here at CTR. Over the last couple of months or so, I've been putting together some videos about how I see the market, about what's been going on, daily, weekly rundowns, etc., what I'm expecting to happen. I've also put together a few videos about me, about my background, where I've worked, what I've traded, what my biggest wins have been, my biggest losses, my biggest ever positions. And so you guys can get a little bit of a feel for my institutional background. I also thought it'd be a good idea to put together a short video just with a couple of, with a few tips involved, just some little pointers that can kind of put you in the right direction, allow you to maybe tweak, fine tune your trading style. Just a few ideas that I use and I've picked up over the years. The first thing I'd like to say is regarding stop losses. When you come up with an idea for a trade, you want to go long, you want to go short. Even before you execute that trade, you should be working out your stop loss. When I come up with an idea, I want to go long, I think, right, what is the correct stop loss for that trade? That is the thing that is going to allow me to survive any move against me and hopefully hit my profit target. So even before I execute the position, I work out my stop loss. If it is too far away from current levels, be patient. Don't jump in too soon. That's how you blow accounts. So work out how big that stop loss is going to be. When it is the correct kind of size that fits with your risk appetite, then work out your leverage. If it's a big stop loss, quite far away, keep the leverage small. If it's fairly close, you've got really strong support at a particular level, maybe you can afford to go leveraged a little bit higher because you're not risking too much. So that is it. Always work out your stop loss even before you enter the trade. Secondly, quite a simple one, this one. There are plenty of websites out there that offer a free squawk box service. You just Google free squawk box. And if you're trading at home and you're sitting there, in your room and it's very quiet and you don't know, you feel a little bit isolated from the markets, get yourself a squawk box. These things, they're free, and you just get a live service the other end, and you will get a heads up. There is data due out in a minute, 30 seconds time, 10 seconds time countdown. They will tell you what that data was. If there's been a big comment that's come out from, the Bank of England, a rate decision, anything. It just keeps you alert. We've all sat there at times when you're sitting there watching a currency and suddenly it's just collapsed 50 pips. What is going on there? Get yourself a squawk box. It will give you that information. It just keeps you alert, it keeps you awake, and it gives you a heads up when something may or may not happen. If there's a big meeting going on somewhere and some head of a central bank is about to speak, it's going to affect the market. And the last thing, just another simple one. Us retail traders, most of us have got the MC4 platform. We all trade on it. Set yourself up a demo account, and when I trade, I look for key levels. Now today, euro dollar is 120. I've got a key level at 120.50. So I think that's a major level for whatever reason. If the market goes down today, tomorrow, over the coming months, and goes down 500 pips, I will totally forget about 120.50 being a key level. So what I do is put in a dummy order to sell at 120.50 or to buy at 120.60, just as a reminder. It's your demo account. You're not looking to make money on it. It's just purely there for as a tool to remind you of key levels. I've got a demo account running and I've probably got 30 to 40 orders on it. Some of them can be 500, 600, 700 pips away. A sterling yen order, 600 pips away. But when it gets close, I will see that I've got an order there, and that will give me the heads up to call up the charts. Why did I put that up there? and then you'll call up charts and you should be able to work out, I've got that there because I believe it's a key level and so it's going to happen. It's free, and it's just a great way to remember important levels without having hundreds of pieces of paper all over the place. Anyway, just a couple of little things that may help you out, and I'll come back in the next week or so with a few more. Safe trading. Thank you. Take care.